Bye bye yo. Bye bye yo. Ooh, this is my favorite song. Is it my phone? The price I am seeing here, but they're all easy. Just only a table, 5 what? And just this, guys. Just only this pillow is 79. Crazy, my brothers and sisters. This country will humble you. I came to a store and they're just playing one of my favorite songs and I'm dancing to it. Yeah, that's what is happening at this moment. So I came here to look out for chairs, but the price I'm seeing here, Odiro is my brother. This country will humble you. The money they call here, when you convert it, is not a child's play. I'm going to leave this because even just a pillow here is a whole lot of money. Like, what the heck? Now I see why people here finance their way out of everything in this country, because you can hardly buy things outrightly with the kind of prices they call here. Kilo day. Like, what are you trying to say? All fingers are not equal. Can they just take it easy on the poor? Let the poor breathe.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
I like this bedding, but guys, let's see the price. Miss, can you imagine? This is on sales for 4,769. Are these people kidding? Are they joking?
On top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep.
This is more realistic.
If you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I know you guys are wondering what's happening here. I want to do a little unboxing with you guys of the things I got recently for my new apartment. If you're watching my videos, you know that I just got a new apartment, or rather I just moved into a new apartment, guys. So yeah, I had some different things I got from this particular store called Dollarama. I'm so sorry guys, I couldn't take you guys along with me to this store because on that day, guys, I really cannot explain what happened. I wasn't just in the right frame of mind of bringing out my camera. I just wanted to just buy what I have to buy and just leave at that moment. I just felt that it is right I did the unboxing with you guys, in as much as I know I didn't take you guys to the store. So we're going to be doing that together. I think this camera is at the right frame, or I should just put it closer so that you guys can see. Either which way, guys, I'll figure it out in the course of the video. Like I said, guys, please, I didn't get a lot. It's just something little just to spice up my house and all of that, because really I don't really have a lot of things in the house. Yeah, I got 2 of this, and I don't know why I really got 2 of this. Like, I don't understand. It's just when I go home I realized that why did I buy 2 of this? But I guess I might look for something else. Then yeah, I got this flower vase. I really don't know if I even have flowers to put inside, but either which way, I just had to get it because I liked it and I wanted it. So yeah, I have this one, and yeah, I got this because this is like a sponge for washing my dish. I know I have a dishwasher, but I'm not really up to that level to start using it. I really don't know how to use it. I think I need to really study or get to understand how to use it. So I got my everyday regular sponge for washing my dish. Yeah. Then I got this bathroom, what do you call this? It's like a bathroom cover, so that water doesn't splash, because it's more like a bathtub here that I have, so I don't want to waste much time here. And this is more like a floor mat. I know I really didn't get what I want, but I just wanted something for the moment, so I got this one from our regard of the house. The moment I saw this place, guys, it was like love at first sight. Yeah, that was it for me at that moment. Okay, guys. I like the plate. I just love the plate. I love the fact that it's deep. I love everything about it. And yeah, I got this scented candle. I just wanted something. I wanted my home to smell a bit nice because it's been a long time, guys. And guys, I got this one. I got another of it. Right? I think I need to push this one a bit closer. And so you guys can see that properly. This is more like a tissue holder. Sorry, this is more like a paper towel holder. I just like the fact that it is wooden. And then yeah, I got these frames. I didn't even get to show you guys. I just want to use this to decorate either the bathroom. I don't even know where I want to use it for. I think I need to bring this closer. I don't know where I want to use it for. But Guys, I got this pan. I don't have a deep pan in my house. I don't know if you watch my vlogs, you would have seen the pan I've been using for a while. I know this is not really what I want to settle for, but I just want this for emergency for now. Yeah. And I got this pretty anger. Like I said, guys, I love brown. I'm going for brown theme in my house. So I have this one, guys. Yeah. I don't know what this is used for, but I know it's home decor. It's just so pretty. I'm just to do this thing to be aesthetically pleasing. What am I doing like this? I'm just everywhere. Yeah, I got this cute love frame. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I just like it and I wanted to just grab one for myself. Let it be staring at you people. Love, love, love. Love is, is a beautiful thing. And the last but not the least for today, guys, I think that's all I have here is this cute, it looks like a towel holder where I can just put towels and all of that. I'm still gonna figure out what to do with all of these things because some of them I'm still confused where to put them or what to do with them, but I know in my mind that I know what I want. Right? I hope you guys do like all the things I got. This is all I can afford for the moment. Maybe over time I'll get to add 1 or 2 things. Ooh, guys, look at this. Look at this heavenly. Guys, this thing there, it caught my attention the moment I saw it in the store where I went to. It was just so beautiful. Well, Encrypt Kitchen is already dead. I don't know what is happening. It's already dead. I'm not so good with flowers, guys. I think it's already dead. My attention was the color. Yeah, the color. It was just so cute, guys. What else did I get? I got this because, guys, there's one video I saw and I want to do it. I need this thing for the video, like a brush. I need it for a video. I think that video is definitely going to be among this my vlog. I don't know. I got this plate and then I got this one too. I wanted this color because the one I had, like I said, it wasn't giving me the aesthetic I wanted for my house. I wanted like this. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out the aesthetic I want in the house. Day by day, it's all coming together. And I got this pan, just so big. Color for me, guys. This is all I want to use for my spaghetti. I want to just make a very fast spaghetti, and that is it, guys. I noticed that the chicken is a bit frozen. I didn't bring it out on time so that it could melt. So I have to just try to use my power on this thing. This is all I'm taking. Just feel this. You know when they say fast spaghetti. You guys understand what I mean. The sauce is ready.